Hey guys, it's your girl, my London person, look at my name, and this video is about a very special girl that this slime belongs to. Her name is Sara. She is a lovely girl. She's so kind, and she asked me on the way when we were on the bus. She asked me to fix her slime for her. So I said, of course. I have her check right here. I don't tell people the secret ingredient just in case they start to use it. So she said to me that because it was a very bright yellow putty. So I said it was like animal wheat, and she said it was like honey. So when she gave this to me, I was like, she obviously likes honey. So I made it this color, and I'm gonna turn the light on. Hold on, guys. I'm just watching CJ. So cool. Let me put this light on. Can you see the light difference? Can you see it? It's such a bright, beautiful honey color. So look at it. So this is her. It's like a date. She told me to keep her updated. So let me do this. Pour it out on the table. Oh, it's coming out now. There we go. See, it's so pretty. So yeah, super stretchy as well. It does break still though. It does break still, but it's a very nice, pretty honey color. If you're watching this, Sara, here is your slime. You are my special shout out for today, Sara. Look, so I'm gonna show you guys her check. Sara, this is the check you're gonna get. I'm not gonna charge you for the color though. Okay, hold on. Check. 1. The lotion, my special lotion that makes it so soft. £1. The diamonds are £2, so her total is £3 for Sara. So that is what she's going to get when I give it to you, Sara. That is what you're going to get when I give it to you. Hold on, let me just put it back on. So hard to use one hand. Okay. Lord. Okay. So it's really nice. It's more pokeable than before. It's super stretchy. Okay, look. Let's see. So guys, if you have slime and you know me personally and you want to make it better, just holler at me. Be like, hey Ramaya, can you make my slime better? You just tell me what color you want it to be, what texture you want it to be, and what you want me to add into it. The bonus feature was the diamonds. She didn't ask for that, but because she's a very lovely girl, I just gave it to her. But that is going to cost her. I know it shouldn't, but But at least I'm giving her the color free, because the color would have been like £4, because that's how much it actually cost. The diamonds did £2, like on the check. The lotion cost way more than £1, but it's a discount. So yeah. So I want you guys in the comments, if you have any slime, tell me what it looks like, what you want it to be like, and yeah. So in the comments, can you please shout out can you please shout out in the comments Sarah slime? Sorry, not Sarah, Sara slime. And that will surely make her day, and it will surely make my day. So here you go, Sara. It's your slime for you to get on Tuesday, because it's Bank Holiday Monday. So yeah, bye.